Imagine, you're all set to create your dream game. You've got the vision, you've got the passion, and you've got CryEngine. If you never heard of CryEngine, let me explain real quick what it is. CryEngine is a game engine created by Crytek, famous for making games look incredibly realistic. It's packed with features like advanced graphics, real-time physics, smart AI, and support for multiple platforms. The first title using CryEngine was Far Cry back in 2004. I worked with this engine from 2015 until mid about 2016 when I worked at Crytek. And let me tell you, this was an experience. But enough of the history lesson. Let me explain why CryEngine is not a good choice for game dev beginners. First up, let's talk about the learning curve. CryEngine is known for its advanced features like incredible graphics, smart AI, but all of this comes with a steep learning curve. For beginners, this can be terrifying. Unlike other game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine, CryEngine is really complex to learn and to master and can make it hard to even get started. Just look at this interface. It's packed with detailed informations and settings. If you're new to game development, navigating this can be overwhelming. Plus, the documentation and the tutorials you can find on the internet are most of the time really outdated. They are not on the same level as Unity or Unreal Engine. CryEngine requires a high-performance PC. That was always and still is the case. Remember the meme, but can it run Crysis? If you don't have top-of-the-line hardware, you will run into performance issues, which can be frustrating when you're just trying to learn. Beginners need an engine that works well on modest setups, and CryEngine doesn't always deliver. CryEngine's marketplace is really limited compared to Unity and Unreal Engine when it comes to accessibility and free assets. Also, beginners rely on communities, and CryEngine also falls short here. Unity and Unreal Engine have extensive marketplaces and large communities. Also, both of them offer a ton of free assets. As an example, Epic Games drops a pack of free assets every single month. In terms of community, CryEngine has a forum and a Discord. If you are ancient, you can use the Facebook group. But compared to Unity and Unreal Engine, there isn't a huge community around this engine anymore. Another hassle is dealing with all the plugins and strange texture formats required for CryEngine. You need a specific plugin for Photoshop just to create textures, which adds another layer of complexity for beginners. This plugin is converting your textures you created in Photoshop to a CryEngine file, which is a file format only CryEngine is using. Besides that, you need plugins for your 3D app of choice for modeling. It got better over the years with FBX file support, but it's far away from the easy drag and drop solutions we know from Unity and Unreal Engine. So while CryEngine is powerful, it's not the easiest tool for beginners. There are more reasons why you really should avoid it when starting out, but these are the most important ones when choosing an engine. If you're just starting out, consider engines with more resources and a smoother learning curve. So what do you think? Which engine is the best one for beginners? Also, should we create an environment in CryEngine? Drop me a comment down below and let me know if that's a good idea. And if you're new to game dev and you want to get started with the best engine, make sure to check out this video where I show you how you can download and install it.